Hey guys, this is Venkat for venkatfin.com. In your family, if you have anyone for whom you want to take health insurance, please call 9384716268. You can always message me at any time of the day, even at late in the night. Remember one thing, I have a no spam policy, so I won't force anyone to take insurance just because you're calling me. But a very humble request, take the purchase decision within the next 1 week or a month, because I also feel embarrassed to follow up. Sometimes people will inquire me. I will be speaking to them for 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Sometimes the conversation will go on for 30 minutes. And after that, they will say, I'll think about it. So remember one thing, it is very, very important to take health insurance for your elderly parents. And on this beautiful Mother's Day, I don't believe in this Mother's Day special, this and that. But anyway, we are in a commercial world. So let us use this Mother's Day to spread information about the importance of health insurance for women. So this is there are two different ways I differentiate when someone calls me to take health insurance. I will request them one thing, do you want maternity benefit? Because for anyone who's newly married, or 2-3 years away from before after getting married, and they're planning for for a child, they might require they will certainly require a maternity benefit coverage, which should be covered in the health insurance policy. And I will make sure that the product I suggest also covers the maternity benefit. Okay, so that is very, very important. But remember, for those who don't know, existing pregnancy will not be covered, which is like you are taking health insurance policy now for your wife or yourself, if you're a woman, the current pregnancy will not be covered. Only when you are paying the third year premium, which is at least a waiting period of 2 years is required, after which the maternity benefit will start, as far as I know. And there are this is the other stage of women's life, which is like you're working women or working guy, and your mother is 48, 49 years old, or they are in their 50s or 60s. They might be already very healthy. If they are healthy, well and good, this is the right time to take health insurance for your mom. If they have pre-existing diseases, like any small procedure or surgery which has happened in the last 5 years, or if they have diabetes or wheezing, small issues, then too it is essential for you to take a health insurance policy for your mom, is because only when they have pre-existing diseases, there are chances that they might have to go to hospital maybe after 5 years or 10 years. So it is always secured to take health insurance when they are little bit younger, when they are in their late 40s or 50s. And I always request someone who is having diabetes, this is just for information, to make sure that to keep it under control, to make sure that you present that to the insurance company that you are in control when it comes to diabetes. Or for those people who has just discovered that their mom has diabetes or small health issues, immediately apply for a health insurance, because when the disease aggravates, there are chances that the insurance company underwriter might even disapprove, unapprove the health insurance policy. But even then, there are chances that you will get a load. For sure, you will get a loading fee, for anyone who has a pre-existing disease. And number 3, it is essential that women who are in their late 40s or 50s does have a health insurance for at least 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. Someone who is earning well, I always request them, if you are taking health insurance for your parents, take for 10 lakhs sum assured. For those who are in a tight budget, I will tell them at least take a health insurance for 5 lakhs. For those who are still in a tighter budget, I will request them to take health insurance both for their mother and father as a family floater for 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs based on the premium. So this is a humble request. You seriously consider health insurance for your parents, which is a message I'm spreading. So please spread it to your friends. Share this video to your friends. One more thing, though I'm making this video on a Mother's Day, it is essential that you take health insurance both for your mother and father. And it is really great, if you are going to take health insurance when they are healthy. So that is very, very important. So no matter what I say, so for my regular subscriber, you can please skip the video. And for those who are listening with interest, I would like to continue about the products I'm going to suggest. But again, you are going to buy this product only if you really love it. And the product I suggest, you can take health checkup, the body checkup stuff from the first month itself. And remember, for 1 lakh of sum assured, you will get a 500 rupees coverage. And there is a maximum limitation for a family floater, the stuff which I can let you know when you call me. And unlimited reinstatement, which means, like, for example, someone who is let's say you take health insurance, you're taking health insurance for your mom will be fine. But let's take for example, after 2-3 months, he has a health issue for which he is getting admitted for 10 days. The health insurance sum assured is for around 5 lakhs. So the first admissions is incurring around 50,000 rupees. The company is reimbursing it. So remaining is 4,50,000. Again, after 4-5 months, again your mom has some health issue. So again, the company at the time, the hospital expenses is around 1 lakh. So again, the company is reimbursing it. You will be thinking that, the remaining sum assured is only 3.5 lakhs. But no, this company, the product I'm going to suggest for the same person, for the same illness, they will bring back the sum assured to 5 lakhs. So that is the beauty about this product. One more thing, booster benefit is something that I really suggest to everyone, this product, especially because within the next when they are paying the 3rd year premium, the sum assured, they are going to take it for 5 lakhs, it will become 10 lakhs. If they're going to take health insurance for sum assured 10 lakhs, on the 3rd year when they pay the premium, it will become 20 lakhs. So they don't have to wait 2 years. Even, every year when they pay the premium, the sum assured will increase by 50%, and it will happen, the maximum doubling happens only once. Let's say you're taking health insurance for 5 lakhs, it will become 10 lakhs, and that's it. Let's say you're taking health insurance for sum assured 50 lakhs for covering your entire family, it is going to become, the coverage is going to go for double to 1 crore. That's it. So most NRIs suggest, prefer this, which is like, they try to take health insurance, for 3 years together, because they get a discount of between 7.5%, 5% to 15% sometimes. So it is always wise to take health insurance policy with this discount, because even if IRDA is going to approve the health insurance company to increase the premium overall, you are going to ensure that your premium, you are prepaid for around 3 years. So you are going to be safe and secure. In this product that I'm suggesting, and I'll make sure that the product is there is no capping at the daily room rent. And for organ transplantation, even the organ donor is covered from your sum assured. Of course, as I said, let's say your mom or dad has diabetes or any small issue. After 3 years, any issues that is propping up because of that diabetes or any pre-existing diseases, even that will be covered. But remember, this is conditions apply, because for some issues they will even deny the policy. So yeah, that is the reason I am always encouraging people to take health insurance when things are under control and when your parents are younger and healthier. So always I offer this product with safeguard feature, because for non-medical expenses, some insurance and health insurance companies will not offer the coverage. So I always use this safeguard feature. Air ambulance coverage within, let's say your mom is in a small town, she needs to be taken to a bigger city where the better hospitalization facilities are there. Air ambulance coverage is available within India. So Ayush treatment is also applicable. You can use it for even for Ayurvedic treatments. And 80D tax benefit is available, and 30-minute cashless claim processing in case, even if the tied up hospital is denying cashless claims processing. Sometimes it does happen like that. You can request them to you can later reimburse, and if the reimbursement sum will be the processing happens within a month or two. I always request for a longer waiting time when it comes to reimbursements. And sum assured is between 3 lakhs to 1 crore. Most NRIs are going for 50 lakhs because they know how expensive is healthcare going to become the next few years, even in India. And those who are living in India are taking health insurance already. They are taking health insurance for at least 5 to 10 lakhs sum assured. That is the age limit 65. So your parents, when they are before they get to 65, please take a health insurance for them. Pre-hospitalization, let's say there is an issue which has been found, and let's say there's a heart surgery, for example. After 6 months after that, they might have to do a small procedure or take a scan or a MRI. Even that is being covered. And I especially love spreading information about health insurance because to women, especially because most women doesn't have health insurance coverage. Because women who are working, they have health insurance coverage from their company. Even that you should not trust, which I always say, because when you leave the company or when you switch your jobs, your group insurance policy will not be applicable. So it is always wiser to have a family floater along with the corporate insurance, which is offered by your company. Other than that, if you are a homemaker, remember, if your mom is a homemaker, ask yourself if she has a very good health insurance company's policy. Thank you so much. This is Venkat for venkatfin.com. You're most welcome to write to me from the email ID in venkatfin.com or call me at 9384716268 or message me or voice call me. I'll be happy to guide you. But remember, take the purchase decision within the next 1 week or 1 month, because I have a very strict no spam policy, which is like I feel embarrassed when on the third time when I reach out to someone and request them if they have decided they have confirmed taking health insurance. I feel a little bit embarrassed. It's not that I won't call, but I try to make sure that I won't force anyone to take health insurance. You should know the importance, the value of health insurance and take it. So it's not that we are celebrating Mother's Day or not. We should make sure that your mother should not feel bad that at the end of the day that you are spending money, your savings for her. So that is where the health insurance company, the health insurance policy for her really starts working for you and your parents. Thank you so much. This is Venkat for venkatfin.com. Call me right now.